Every business has a unique story, a vision that sets them apart. But the path to realizing that vision is often clouded by the complexities of technology. That's where we come in, introducing our business modernization framework, a transformative process that aligns technology with your business objectives and goals. It all starts with a blue sky session. Imagine 1 hour where your challenges are heard, your needs understood, and your goals meticulously mapped out. Blue sky is not just a conversation. It's the first step in a journey that we embark on together, crafting a technology roadmap that's as unique as your business. We offer the best of both worlds, locally delivered IT solutions supported by a nationwide team of experts. This ensures our clients will always be in the lead. We don't just address immediate IT issues, we unlock the full potential of your business through modern IT solutions, including AI, data intelligence, and the latest collaboration tools. Our virtual CIOs are more than just consultants. They are technology cartographers, engaging in strategic discussions to ensure your business thrives in an ever-evolving landscape. The future is bright, the skies are blue. See what technology path is right for you. New Charter Technologies, the better way to do IT.